Okay, so well, let me see. So we have span ID equals all right. So the full stop, we have another full stop inside a full stop. Let me go to your CSS and let me see. Open the CSS. Is your machine slow or what? Or the internet? All right, so where is it? Okay, remove that dot. Remove that dot here and go and remove it from that side too. Make sure you save it too, because I've seen that you haven't saved it from the CSS side. Save from both sides. Go to the CSS too and let me see. Save it. All right. So let me see your screen. Is it working?
It's working.
So that's
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's move on. Let's move on.
So remove yourself.
All right. So we are back. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
All right. Hey, as a class in Swati, see, you're 11. What is happening? Montiasiana.
They are tired.
Oh, ATM and Amujani, and you do JavaScript, then I'm me there. Becca 5. All right, no problem, no problem. I mean, at the end of the day, if I'm able to get about 5 of you, be good guru in the programming and get the job, Charlie, I'll be very, very excited. Don't worry. Please try your best. Programming in that form. In fact, in that form, some of us we have spent about 5 years knowing some of these things. But yeah, the mamu fala,
Yes.
Let's go. So what is it? Okay, so we are still here. We're almost done with this. I think the button is okay, right?
Yes.
So we are left with the positioning. So we have to select this and bring it what down. I think the icon or the logo and the button are at the same point, but 1, 2, 3, the rest of them are not there. So what do? In fact, the simplest way to do this is let's give them an ID, the same ID. So ID of what? Item or nav item. ID of nav item. Nav item. Let's apply to all of them with the exception of the main button. Why? That would be the best way or the simplest way. With the exception of the last one. Let's save it. Copy just one, the nav ID. Let's go here. Give it this is what an ID, right?
ID call.
ID. So property padding top. So give it a padding top of, let's try 10 pixels if that will work. Bam. Is that okay?
Yes, a little more down would have been okay.
So instead of 10, yeah, you say
12 and 13 baby sir.
All right, so let's save and see. Please, that one okay?
I'm for it looks okay.
Guys, we are working together, so let me know. Hey, Madana.
They can't sleep.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's normal.
It's okay. If it is not okay, you guys can adjust it to make it better than mine. Okay.
We have used 2 hours to do navigation bar only.
That's programming. I think let's just run from here and go to the hero section. Yes. So we are going to the hero section. I think with the hero section, we are going to tackle this and that. In fact, when we introduce this, just this one alone can also take another 20 minutes, this thing. So let's try our best. Do this, do this. If we can even get here and leave the rest for an assignment, you guys can do it. I believe in you. Let's go. So the next one, let's introduce another tag. And let's call it what? Hero section or hero banner. Hero banner. So right now this is the parent tag or the parent class. What's the next thing? So we need two parts, right? We have the left and the what? Right. So we can do what? We can say the first part will be hero text. I might be running fast. Forgive me. Hero text. Inside the hero text, what do? Type the text that you see there, which is what? Receive your food at your doorsteps. So let's do that together. Receive your food at your doorstep. I rather.
Yes.
Right. So we have this. Let's go back and check what we have on the screen. Receive your food at your doorstep. And you say we have received your, on the one line, food at your, so your no. So what do? We can introduce break tags. Guys, I hope you remember that.
Yes.
So BR here, another BR there. Let's see what we have. Don't worry. We are going to increase the font size and it will cover, it will come. So don't worry. Another one. The next part is the hero image. So hero slash image or imaging, just imaging. Okay. So what do? You introduce the what? Imaging tag, then you call the what? The image. So where is my image? I think I created a folder here and I name it what? Imaging. Okay, so inside the imaging, I have, let me check if it is this one or the rectangle. I didn't hear. It's taking long. Why? Can someone check for me? Which of the images? Where is it? Okay, so I think it's this one. So we have food delivery P engine. So that's it. So you can see that this one is found inside another folder. So what do? You go one step back. Go to IMGene, food delivery P engine. Guys, so you can see it is showing what? In the vertical way, and we don't want it to show this way. So how are we going to display side by side? Yes, quick. Guys, are you there?
Oh, yeah, we will flex it. We'll use the flex, then we use
so we will select the hero banner.
Yes.
Then we do what? Display what? Flex. Justify content.
Justify content.
Let's use space around.
Space. Okay. I was thinking space between will do. But okay.
No, you see, when looking at the what do you call it? The mock-up, there's some space here, there's space here. So when you use space between, it's going to, like, the space in between this one will be too wide.
That's true.
So, but you can even try. If it works, fine. There's nothing like right or wrong answer. Guys, you see? Guys, are you following?
Yeah.
All right. So What do you do next?
Hello.
Yes, Amate.
Yeah, I think you should come down a bit for us because we are also coding along.
As for me, I'm even lost with the coding because my second screen is misbehaving.
Oh, sorry.
My cable, my HDMI cable to the television is misbehaving. So I'm just using the computer to watch
All
you.
right.
So I cannot code.
Right now, we are the hero section. And the hero section, we are still using our Flexbox to make our life easier. And all that I'm doing here is I've created the parent tag, which is the hero banner. Inside the hero banner, we need two children. From the mockup, we have a text at the text and search bar at the left, and we have the what is it, the icon or image or the SVG file here. So what do? All that you have to do is you have to divide this one into two. So even you can use left and use right, whatever class that you want to use. So you can use here left and use this one as right. So inside the hero or at the left side, I have my text here, which has received your food at your doorstep. And looking at the mockup, we have this one and this one under this. So we can just use the break tags to do that. Then the next part is the image. So I gave it a class of hero image. Inside that one, I called the image. The image is found inside my the image folder.
IMG folder.
Good. So that's the HTML part. Let's go to the CSS. CSS, me imagine wow. All that I'm doing is I have called the hero banner. I call the hero banner and do the normal thing that we always do. Display flex, justify content of space around. Into me imagine why Mr. Amate. It's just a matter of understanding. If you understand, you can do everything yourself. I don't want you guys to be coding.
Robert,
Boss.
under the hero banner. No, I'm sorry. Under the class of text, hero text. Why don't we introduce the search bar there?
Yes, we can. That would be the next thing. So we can introduce our. No, it's not going to be under this. So it's going to be inside because they are
inside. That's what I'm saying. Yes. Inside that div.
So all that you have to do is you introduce the input, what do you call tag. Yes, and you give it a placeholder search. Even there's no placeholder, I think there's an icon inside or something. But for the meantime, let's use search here and see. So you can see this is it. Then you add a CSS. Now I'm an that's how it works.
Yeah.
All right. So the next thing is let's use the same display. Is it align items? Yes. Align items center so that they will be at the same level. Okay. Right now, let's increase the font size of this. Look at where's the mockup. So let's change the color, the font size, and everything. Let's work on this. So we can give the first part, which is what? Hero text. We can give it a font size of, what do you guys suggest?
Maybe
18.
Yeah.
18 pixels. Is 18 okay, or it's still small?
Let's watch what is on the mock. The mock one. It will be okay.
18 is okay. Eh?
Yes.
All right. So if 18 is okay, the next thing is to change the colors.
Yes.
Change the colors. All right. So what we can do is we can give them all the same color, then just cut it from somewhere. So we can give the H2. We can select. Oh no, even can add a color here. No, if you add a color here to apply to the search box too. So let's just select this hero text rather, hero text, then what, H2, then let's give it a color of this. Oh, I think it's too small for me, guys. Yeah, it's too small. Let's
increase it a bit.
Let me give it 25. Hero the INS also. Let me give it 30. All right. Then font weight. I think the font weight is also too small.
Mr.
Yes. Yeah, Majid.
Robert.
Yeah, Majid. Hello, Majid.
Hey,
we can't hear anything.
Hello, Majid. I'm listening.
Yeah, I wasn't able to write some of the codes.
At the end of the session, we will plead with you to put the code on your GitHub so that we can download it there.
Okay. I will do that for you guys.
Thank you.
All right. So let's move on. So all that you have to do is let's add font weight of bold or something. So font weight. It's not font family. Font weight. Font weight. Bold. Okay, it's coming. Guys, you can modify it. Let's change the color of this. So how do you do that? All that you have to do is what? Let's put this one in the span. Let's put it in the span, and let's give it an ID of door or doorsteps. Send a be doorsteps. So what do? You select doorsteps. You come here. You use the ID of what? Doorsteps. Then you just change the color to what we have. So let's save it. Make sure you save this. Guys, are you following? What's the air bar?
Yeah.
Mr. Robert.
Yes.
The thing that because some of us weren't able to write some of the codes, it has messed up a little bit. You see.
Let me give you, I think we have 6 minutes to end the class. Let me give you about 3 out of the 6 to go over. If you don't understand, to let me know.
Okay. Oh, let me do it right now.
Mr. Abdo, please, are we on the same page or you are also still typing?
We are on the same page. Just that when you finish, you just give us the code to amend ours.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, and who is just talking at the background like that?
Guys, so after the class, based on how you saw the class, please make sure you give a review.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's do that. It's very, very important. You can also bring your suggestions how we can improve upon this. We are doing this together. Hey, the 3 minutes is over. Majid, are you not done?
My code has actually messed up. So when you finish and then you send the video, then I'll go.
All right.
Or he will send both the video and the code, so we can go to the
Okay.
YouTube channel and then.
So guys, I think this one also take a lot of time. Let's run to the next section. If we are not able to finish, you guys, you are going to continue. If not, next week Saturday we will still do this. And remember, this month you have so many things to achieve. This month we have so many things to achieve this month. So let's try and have time for ourselves. And any assignment I give you, please make sure you do it for me. Do it for yourself and for me. Okay, so the next section, I think very, very simple. The next section is just a heading and a subword text. All right, so let's work on that. So the next section, so after the hero banner, you introduce the next section. So that one we can just use a section tag. Then inside this section tag, what do we need? We need H2. We need H2. And we need what? Paragraph. So the H2, what do we have here? Here, how it works.
Yeah.
Is what? Here, there's S here.
Hey.
How it works. It works. Then the next one is the P tag. In fact, I can't type that random thing, so I use the random generating. So just do this, and let's save it. Right now, see what we have. It's getting closer, right? So all that you need to do is what? You have to center them. You have to center them. So we can give this a class of CTA, call to action. So CTA, let's, sorry. So CTA, CTA, and what we do, so you give it what? Align, text align. This one is text align. Center.
Mr. Albert.
Yes.
Mr. Albert.
Yes.
Mr. Albert.
Yes.
Mr. Albert.
Hello, Majid.
Please, I have a question.
You can ask.
Yeah. With the call to action, the CTA, isn't it a class?
It's a class.
But you didn't bring the point.
I brought it. It's here. I brought it. So we can give it a padding top. Let's bring it down a bit. A padding top of, let me use 15 or 16 pixels and see. It's still close, Let's give it a padding top of 25 or 30. I use 30. Okay. So guys, okay, I think the color too, we can change the H2, the CTA, H2, color of what? Color, then hash. This is the color. Great. And the font size and the font bold. You can apply the font size. Font size of, let's say, 20 pixels. No, this is a heading, so let's use 30 pixels. And font weight of what? Font weight of bold.
Right. Sometimes I see font weight 400.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So instead of writing the word bold, extra bold, extra bold, you can use numbers for that. So 100 it ranges from 100 to 900 or so. So it
Okay.
increases in that one is what ascending order, right, from the lowest to the highest.
Okay.
That's how it is. All right, guys. So I think that's all. That's all for today. Our time is up. We have 2 more sections to complete. Please, it should be a challenge for you guys. Try your best and complete this for me and yourself. If you are not able to do, no problem, but try your best. You at least try. At least try. If you don't try at all, in fact, you won't grow. You won't grow. So please, it's 9:02. Let's end the class here. If you don't have any question, we are ending the class. Within the week, you guys should try your best. Find some 31 hour minutes and work on this. Thank you very
But
much.
hope you send the codes to us.
Oh, you get it. You get it.
Okay.
All right, guys. Another thing is try your best and if you don't have LinkedIn account, go and create one. If you don't have GitHub account, get one. If you don't have Twitter account, get one. The rest there, in fact, is for the Slaquins. So forget. As a programmer, you need Twitter account. It's very, very important. LinkedIn, very conk, and GitHub. We will talk about this another section. Thank you very much for joining the class today. I hope it has been great learning so many things. Just that we are not able to achieve what we are supposed to do for the week. No problem. Guys, all the best.
Thanks so very much. We are most grateful. We are
Sure,
most grateful.
sure,
In
sure.
fact, the scare of programming is gradually going away. Programming used to be a very scary game, but we are at least with the CSS, we are seeing through small.
Sure, sure, sure.
And I encourage my colleagues, let's all try our hands. At least we should be able to go beyond. Me, after doing this Google search page, that's how come I'm now familiar with some of the CSS attributes, and I
Sure,
can
sure. If you don't practice, in fact, it will never stick.
Oh.
It will never stick. So I will encourage you guys, as our senior devs came to talk to us yesterday, please, they will encourage us to practice more. Sir Robert cannot teach you everything. I'm also repeating that. Please, let's try our best and Google, build our own projects. Oh, sir, you taught us this today. I've within the week, I've also been able to do it. It will be very, very nice, right? So let's try our best and help ourselves. I hope we can end the class now.
thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, please.
All right, all right, all right, all right.